I'm back in West Melbourne today. This house is a total renovation. If you remember, I had one before, 0.85 acres. Let me show you the lot here before we go inside. What I find charming about this area of West Melbourne is the lot sizes and the size of the trees. We did this before. I'm not going to spend much time out here. Huh? Now you could put a fence back here, but it's really nice. So this is a 4-2. Two-car garage. I love what they did. I mean, it's literally bring your toothbrush. You walk in, there's a sitting room here.
I haven't heard anything. No, I hear an occasional motorcycle, but like that's a very rare occurrence. It's not like a constant.
It's your dining room.
That's just me taking a video. I just.
You're fine.
Do you put music to it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you don't hear anything.
So these rooms measure. Here, let me do this. This is nice. I mean, this is a total down to the studs kind of redo. I really like this house. The extra bedrooms are 12 by 12, and there's 3 of them. Vinyl plank throughout.
Yeah, we are. Yes, we are. And you just commented on one of my
Island kitchen.
websites, didn't you?
Yes.
Thank you for that. I appreciate the support. You're welcome. Thank you.
Laundry room.
Come on in and take a look. Yeah, this is beautiful. How are you?
So here's another living room. This is the more den, family. And it opens too, and the size of this is amazing. Here's your master. Master closet. And the creme de la creme. Everything is airy, it's bright, it's new. Let me know if you want some more information on this house, and if you'd like and subscribe, I always appreciate it. Talk to you soon.